how to get free ringtones, wallpapers, everything, apps on your phone. Well, first pop onto Google, then you type in mixer, then you click on the first one, and then this should pop up. I recommend you to sign up. It's completely free, but if you don't want to sign up, that's you can do whatever you want to. First, if you want ringtones, let's go to pick of a day. Example, I'll choose any type of song. Let me see this one, center phone. Then this should pop up when I press center phone. Then you take a look. Then if you want it sent to your phone, click on get ringtone, or you could customize it, like customize the length. Hold on, yeah, this was just, yeah, you could customize the length of your song. Let me show you. Customize the length, start from 0 to 0 and finish here, or you could make it finish in 10 seconds, whatever you can choose. What you got to do is click on get ringtone, then yeah, you click onto center mobile, then get ringtone, then type your number, example 079, whatever, it's the example, whatever. Then they'll tell you to choose your service provider, which is your carrier. Like I am currently T-Mobile UK. Then I click on, this is just the example number, I'll just press that, then click on next, and then on your smartphone or blackberry or phone you should get a message, and it will give you a link to it, and you must have unlimited internet to get this free, and you must have unlimited text messages to get this free, which I do with T-Mobile. Well, you have to have it to get free. If you don't have them, it will just only cost you 10p, no more than 10p or 10 cents, whatever. Then you get a link, and then you click on the link, open link, and then it will tell you to download it. Then it's downloaded, and if you're getting a picture, all you have to do is go to menu and click to save image, then it should come up, and that's it. Let me show you something. You could upload links. Like if you want a wallpaper and you don't know how to get a wallpaper up, you could go to make your own wallpaper. Make your own wallpaper. You have to press this wallpapers, and then click on tools, and you should see make your own. Then you go to choose a song or picture. Look, I've got songs here, etc. I've got songs, pictures, songs, etc. Then I upload one, then same same again. It will take about 30 seconds to come up, or even quicker. It will come up and it will ask you for the number to send it to. And that's it really. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. It should come up. It says please be patient. But yeah, there it was. Yeah, so thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, like and rate. Please do not give me any bad comments. Thanks.